Okay, the path of a baseball after being hit. Well, let's look at the definitions first. Consider the function f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c with vertex b negative b over divided by 2a and f of negative b divided by 2a. So this right here is another way to find the vertex. When a is greater than 0, then we have a minimum. And when a is greater than 0, we have a maximum. And the reason is if a is greater than 0, it's going to open up. And if it's less than 0, it opens down, creating that maximum here. The path of a baseball after being hit is modeled by that equation where f of x is the height of the baseball in feet and x is the distance from home plate. What is the maximum height? So whenever you get these keywords, maximum or minimum, and you have a quadratic equation, then this is only telling you to find the vertex. So again, the vertex, we can find it by rewriting this or using this formula, or you can rewrite this in standard form, which might be a little bit more time consuming than using this formula here. Okay, so first to find the vertex here, we're going to find the x coordinate, and that's found by using negative b over 2a. So your equation here, a is negative 0.007, b is 1, and c is 4. So I'm going to plug in my information for b and for a. So we get negative 1. 2 times this would be negative 0.14. And if we divide, it comes out to 71.43. And this is in feet. Once you find your x value, then you're going to find your y value. So this is step 1. So step 2 is to find f of what you got in the first part. So we're going to find f of 71.43. And so what that means is we're going to plug in that number into every x that we see. Okay? If you plug this into the calculator, you should end up with 39.71. Okay? So your vertex is the x value, 71.43 feet, and the y value, 39.71. So this problem doesn't ask what the vertex is, but it wants to know the maximum height. So what happens here is you have two values. So here's x at 71.43, and then here's y at 39.71, and the parabola is doing something like this. Okay, so the maximum height is given by the y value, and the x value tells you where it occurs. So in this case, this here is where it occurs, and this here is your max height. Okay, so we can say the maximum height of the baseball is 39.71, and it occurs 71.43 feet from the home plate. So the max height is 39.71 and occurs 71.43 feet from home plate.